paved road. You're gonna go up and do a little like squiggly line. On your left side will be wooden stakes on the side. Again, there are road guards and correct path. Identified, you've done your 30 hand release push-ups. You'll get up. You'll do a 100-meter sprint to the sandbags. Again, just stay within inside the engineer tape lane, and you'll be just fine.
Yeah, so we must be waiting on 12. Raining down on the enemy! Boom, boom!
10 more.
This one. Boom, boom! Shoot! Boom! Cover the gate! Boom, boom! Put him across the line and high crawl. High crawl the same line.
Spring. Lock it back with your.
Alright, 2 fingers, 1 finger, couple sliders in. Let it go forward. Take the spring. Do this hole right here.
I'm going to place towards the rear, place the weapon on safety.
Forward.
5-point safety check, visual, long, and now this on fire, forward. Now I would just tug.
Make sure you verify the safety.
Okay. And then you can clear out of that. Then you'll be able to go to the actual frequency that you guys put in.
Half hitch, and we are tying your safeties. You're not hooking it to this one that went around your body. All right, it's just around the second loop. Does that make sense?
21.
You clear it again, so just karate chop.
Somewhere else.
Alright, so boom.
Yeah, it's a clunky ass saw.
Here, grab that. Nice.
I will say we did hear that 82nd graders are notoriously, their passing rate